These are our bunnies outside. They're usually in the bus in cages, but it's a nice day, so we let them outside. They're hopping around. They're just the cutest little guys. They're standing up. They're so cute. We got the boy bunnies over here. Some of them anyway. Him's a cutie. They are just the cutest little guys.
Oh, he's posing so sweet.
I'm taking a video. Oh, and they just keep looking right at the camera.